El Turbo World Headquarters, Turbo. It's all back together now, so I'll ready to put it in the car. I'll take it off the jig and just do a quick shifter adjustment and whack it back in the car. So just going to try a bit of a different way of putting it back in the car, pretty similar to the way I took it out with the work table. I used to put it in and out with the engine crane, but it's a lot easier to do on my own. But I'll try the stand. It may work, may not, but we'll do a time lapse and see how we go, eh? Alright, that was back in. The little jack strap makes it easier to get it up in the car, so first time I did it, I don't know whether it's easy with a crane or doing it like that, but it worked okay. The boys said to me to change the line locker from the top of the shifter over to a button on the steering wheel. Then that's one less thing to fuck around with when you're trying to stage, which makes sense. So I've just, at the end there, you probably saw me do a bit of wiring swap, so we're just going to do a harness, quick release harness down to the original plug, and then I'll see how it goes. Hopefully Michael doesn't look at my wiring there, so I'll get it in the car and we'll see if it works. And, I'll have to go and recheck my wiring, Michael. Hang on, do we need the ignition on? No, I don't. Nah, the wiring's good, Mick. The ignition wasn't on. So, brake on, brake off. We'll see how it goes. I've got to swap from right to left hand, so we should be okay. Hopefully it'll give me, probably should have been something we did with the test and tune, but we've got a couple of eliminations, so should be able to get it together. So alright, we should be good for the 7th, and we'll give it a rip. I must admit, you'll have to see this because I just wandered up the house a second ago to clean my hands, and BT, mate, have a look at this drongo. What are you doing, mate? Quite happy? You want me to put the TV on for you, mate? Hang on, yeah, we'll put the telly on for you, mate. What do you reckon?
Fibre, and he came home and the
what have we got on?
Wrong at school, and they were about to do what they usually do, and, you know, take
what's on the telly, mate?
Devices off him and everything. They went, let's go for a walk. Because moving.
A bit of sunrise. Maggie's do's, Dent's do's and don'ts. Well, good luck, BT. Enjoy that, mate. All right, we'll see you at the track, eh?